Hey guys, my name is Sebastian, and today I'm going to show you how to make cups. One of these cups. The reason I had the dogs on was I was trying to do something and it didn't work. So now I'm actually gonna go back because I don't want to do the whole thing again. It took me a long time to get it finished, and once I'm finished, once I'm finished going back, I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so we're gonna go to basic shapes and get the pure blood, which is right here. It should be white. And then you see this box, to drag it onto the screen, onto the pure blood, and move it up. And select the whole thing and group it. As you can see, select the whole thing and group it. That's it. Everything you need to do. And then this is how it should look like. And then flip it over, make it the size you want it, and choose a color. Duplicate it, a smaller version in the middle, move it up, and make it whole. Bigger version, outside it. Don't move it up, don't move it down, make it whole. Move them out, get a box. Move this, and this out of the way, but keep it on the screen. Okay, now you see this? You are going to get a 4-letter combination like I love DC, whatever. I'm going to use it from this cup. Okay? As you see, I went through a lot of work to get it finished. So now that it's finished, I will put it back together. I'm sorry it's raining outside, and I was looking for it. I'm looking for my chickens. Are they okay? Yeah, my chickens are okay. Okay, so I'm gonna move that, grab that, make it small size, make it long. See how long this is? See? So now I'm going to see. You're gonna put it on. Make the box a desired size. Put the outside layer, outside hole on it, and group it. Just look. Look, as you can see, I am going to actually see, look, you're going to do this, you're going to do that, and you're going to group it, okay? That's what it should look like. And you're going to make the box a hole, and group that, and maybe that, I'm not sure. Okay, now, get the torus, it's right here. Make it the desired size and height. Turn it like that and put it in and move it up. Put the inside layer that's higher inside and group it, and you're finished. Okay, I did say I would show you my doggies. Well, I didn't, but I'm going to show you doggies that I made. This is 2 doggies and 1 doggy. And here are my cups. Delete them. And these are my cups once again. I made all of these cups, to be honest. Okay? I'm going for 1,000 likes and 1,000 thumbs ups, and see you next time.